right. Make like a trampoline and jump. Now make like a trampoline and turn sideways when you jump.
Sideways?
Yeah, go at an angle.
Oh, my hair!
Now do a somersault in the air. You almost had it. You just had to get your legs up there.
I'm gonna get it one second. Oh my god.
Oh, whatever.
Oh my god, I'm falling. Oh my god. Can't do it.
You almost had it. But I don't think the Velcro is as sticky as it's supposed to be. Because it doesn't hold me, but you know. Dude over there, like, jump on one of the sides. You don't have to flip. See if it holds better. Instead of in the middle.
Oh my god. Yes,
Okay.